Hey everyone, Dan here, and I'm gonna give you a little walkthrough on Swift Playgrounds. So you might ask, what is Swift Playgrounds? It's an app designed to teach users how to program in Swift, and can also connect to external devices to demonstrate the physical applications of the code you're writing. So this is an app for the iPad, so we're going to be using an iPad to show you this. So first you would type in the search for Swift Playgrounds. Should be the first thing that you come up with. And then you download it. I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to jump right in and show you what to do next. Alright, so you can already see that we already have a few playgrounds here, and you might not see this. So we're going to be using the Parrot Education app on the Swift Playgrounds. So I'm going to tell you how to get that. So once you've downloaded it, scroll to the bottom and tap on Browse Subscriptions. This should bring you to a website with a link to subscribe to Swift Playgrounds. Once you tap on the link, you should be able to see the Parrot Education icon where you can tap Get to get the Parrot coding exercises. Alright. So then once you do all that, you should be able to see this Parrot Education link there. And alright. So when you click on it, it's going to start you off on a screen kind of like this one. It's just going to run through the basics on what you're going to be doing with the app. So we can just skip that and go right to the meat of it all. So first it's going to try and connect to the drone. Usually if you already had one connected to the iPad, then it would do it automatically like it just happened. If not, you would just need to click that button in the right hand corner and then connect to it, whichever one shows up on your device. So once we're connected, we can start programming. So let's look at the left side of the screen. So we're going to be trying to take off and land our drone. So first, type in take off. Alright, can do. Take off. Alright, so now we can land. Alright, land. And to add a pause, alright, use the wait command. Try wait 4 seconds. Can do. Alright, and it looks like we're ready to run the code. Alright, running now. Look at that. Perfect. Let's move on to the next page. Alright, so this next one that we're going to be doing is gas. So what gas does is it just moves in the direction up or down. So let's see what it says for us to do. So it has a new command for us to try, and then try to take off, move up for 1 second, wait for 4 seconds, move down for 1 second, and then land. Alright, let's see what we can do. So take off first, then move, and it's going to be up, up, duration 1, okay. Now we're going to be doing wait for 4 seconds. Alright. And then move down for 1 second. And then land. Alright, let's run the code. Maybe it looks like I had an error. Oh, I did. See, this is why it helps to read. Alright. So, make sure you do not forget the move direction part of the direction. Make sure it's on both of them too. It's not what I wanted. Okay. Alright, we should be good now. Let's see what happens. See, we got to debug a little bit, and look, now it works. Alright, next page. Okay, so I'm going to skip over to yaw, because roll and pitch is really similar to what gas is, like command-wise. But yaw uses a completely new command. It's called turn. So let's just do it. Jump right in, I guess. So turn. Well, we first need to take off, then turn in the direction clockwise. So that's going to be right. So dot right. 180 degrees. Alright. Then turn again, but in the opposite direction this time. So left. Oh, it didn't do right. And 180. And then we land. Alright. Let's run it. Wonderful. Alright, so we did that. So the Swift Playgrounds and Parrot Education have like a bunch of different things that you can do besides just these simple moves. There are different challenges that you can do. You can use different accessories. So many different moves. Yeah, so you guys can play around with this. This video is just a brief tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys learned something. Thanks so much.